Hello everyone, my name is Robinson Quintero and today I want to share how to prepare a professional email and resume when applying for a job, using my one example to show you how it should look. When writing a professional email, the first thing to remember is to start with a polite greeting and a clear subject line. For example, in my email, I wrote subject explication for operation and process analysis position. And I began with dear sir or madam, always keeping a respectful tone. After the greeting, I introduce myself briefly, saying who I am, what I study, and the position I am applying for. This helps the recruiter understand your profile right away. Then I talk about my professional background. I described my experience as a project assistant in a digital logistic company, where I help implement new software to improve user operation. I added a specific achievement, a 25% reduction in documentation time, because giving measurable results makes your message more convincing. Next, I mentioned my main skills: leadership, teamwork, communication, and digital tools. This shows that you can adapt to new challenges and work efficiently in modern technology based environments. Finally, I ended the message with a profile close, expressing my interest in the company and thanking them for their time and consideration. My advice is to always keep your email professional, confident, and clear. It doesn't have to long, just strong enough to show your motivation and skills. That's what makes a professional introduction truly stand out.